NBC4's Ted Hart has been driving around Central Ohio looking for wind damage in your backyard, and he joins us now live to share what he has found this evening.
Well, and as you said, the winds have gone down a little bit, but so has the temperature. It's gotten rather cold out here. I'm on South Powell Avenue on the hilltop. It's one of many areas here in Central Ohio that have had to deal with downed trees and downed power lines today. On South 5th Street, on the far south side of Columbus, the wind pushed over a utility pole. Neighbors say it kept leaning more and more as the wind blew throughout the day. Similar scenes played out across Central Ohio. This photo from South Central Power showing one of their poles at a 45-degree angle. And this scene from Livingston Avenue on the east side of Columbus. And on the west side, a tree fell on a car and took out power lines on South Powell Avenue on the hilltop. Within the past hour, AEP reports more than 27,000 customer outages across Ohio. South Central Power reporting more than 6,000 customer outages, mostly in Fairfield and Hocking counties. And as far as getting that power restored in areas that have lost power, utility crews remind us that it is unsafe for crews to get up in those bucket trucks when the winds are above 30 miles an hour, so repairs will be made. The power will be restored as the weather allows. Local for you and live on the west side, Ted Hart, NBC4.
All right, Ted, stay warm out there. Well, our NBC4 newsroom has been monitoring power outages from AEP, and here are the current numbers for the hardest hit counties. In Franklin, 4,079 customers are said to be without power, and in Delaware County, 3,129 customers are without power. Again, we'll continue to monitor the power outages there with AEP. Also tonight, NBC4's Eric Halperin is in Delaware County working to figure out what exactly is causing the power outages in that area. Eric.
Well, Darlene, as you mentioned, in Delaware County right now, there are more than 3,000 customers without power. No visual damage around here, but again, a lot of people in the dark right now tonight. We found a townhome complex in Sunbury where it looked like everyone was without power. Many there saying this is quite the inconvenience the night before Thanksgiving. One family told us they plan to be getting ready tomorrow morning, so they're hoping the power is back on by then. As you were mentioning, around the area at last check, more than 2,500 Franklin County AEP customers are without power, Knox County about 1,000, and Licking County a little more than 1,300. And as you heard Ted just mentioning, some people around here have been asking us, well, when is this power going to come back on? And the answer is, well, when it's safe for the crews to get up in those bucket trucks and get to work. We'll continue following this for you throughout the night, but for now, live and local for you in Delaware County, I'm Eric Halperin, NBC4.
Boy, that wind out there is howling out there. All right, thank you so much, Eric. Of course, we will continue to check in with AEP on when power will be restored to thousands in the area, and Storm Team 4 will continue to deliver your most accurate forecast. So stay with us here on air and online, NBC4i.com.